Thanks, Andrew. We've been on a temperature roller coaster this past week. If you go a week ago, set the record high, all-time March record high, 88 degrees, followed up by mid-40s on Monday. Rose through the week, got to the 80s once again before we got another line of showers and storms. And yesterday's high was officially 49 degrees. We're going to be warming back up over the next couple days as we close the month of March. And here's why right now on Storm Tracker. 39 degrees this morning. We have high pressure off to our east. It's just funneling in more of a southerly flow, which warms us up day by day in our forecast going forward. Satellite and radar thing today compared to what we have yesterday, we have mid to upper level clouds that are drifting through the state. It's not going to be the crystal blue sky, and the live look at our Wish TV tower cameras, we're getting close to daybreak, shows that. You get these high wispy cirrus clouds in place at times. Winds are calm, and the wind chill the same as the air temperature because the winds are calm. So for today, we return into the mid-60s. The wind picking up as the day goes on. Winds out of the south, southwest, 10 to 15 miles an hour sustained. And again, we'll have some high cirrus clouds at points. 64 in Indy, 65 in Bloomington, and 67 in Washington. Average high for this time of year, 57 degrees. We beat that pretty easily for today. Tonight, and as you're waking up tomorrow morning for the morning commute, not nearly as cool. We'll be in the mid-50s to start. That's actually not too far away from our average high for this time of year. What you'll notice Monday and Tuesday, most of these days are expected to be dry, although late Tuesday we might have a rain chance. The winds start cranking up on Monday, gusting over 30. Tuesday afternoon, we could be gusting 40 miles an hour plus. Wind advisory criteria, we're not quite up to it. We might be close on Tuesday. For tomorrow, mid to upper level clouds again with that wind picking up. Temperatures even warmer. We'll get into the mid-70s for highs, 74 in Indy, 71 in Muncie, and 71 in Richmond. And we trend even warmer into Tuesday. Not quite up to record high territory, but returning into the lower 80s along and south of I-70. Tuesday, I mentioned we do have a rain chance late in the day into the overnight hours. There's a marginal 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather. That doesn't include central Indiana. It's to our north. And this is more timing based because as we fast forward on Futurecast to Tuesday afternoon and evening, the front kind of hangs back, brings us an isolated rain chance, but the better rain chances along that front. And that front slides to the south and eventually brings rounds of soaking rain Wednesday and Thursday. I think those days are looking pretty wet for our area. In terms of rainfall numbers through the next 7 days, this takes us through next Saturday night, 2 to 4 inches across the state. So quite a bit of rain on the way. Hope Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling 7-day forecast. At least we're dry the next couple here. Indians are in action this afternoon. First Kids Eat Treats Sunday of the season. Rain likely Wednesday and Thursday. No severe weather threats attached to those. I think it's mainly soaking rain for those days, although we could have some rumbles of thunder. Good Friday near 70. And Final Four weekend, another round of showers and storms on the way with temperatures in the 70s for next Saturday.
Storm Track 8, voted